Hey guys, today I'm showing you this kids cape, and this is really a nice vibrant color. It's very helpful, like in terms if you are cutting hairs of your kids or any other occasion that you want to use. But usually this is for the barber thing, or if you want to cut your hairs and they want to have some fun while cutting their hairs, you can use this cape. It's like velcro based, soft velcro based, so that it will not hurt the neck of your kids. And the other thing is that it's very vibrant color, washable, durable, that you can use in terms that this will not be like dirty. And because it's a durable, like vibrant color, so the kids will feel really better, like be happy to get their haircut. So the quality wise is good, is lightweight, shiny colors. The stitching is really nice in the corners, and this is how my kids are wearing it. It's look like the full shade in the color.